Welcome to Mastering Machines, where we discover tomorrow's reality.
Google has teased us for years regarding quantum computing and what it can do. They've built out quantum computing and it exists, but we haven't seen any type of updates lately in probably the last couple of years regarding it. Well, now that has changed with their new announcement, which is their new quantum computer chip, which is called Willow. And this is really mind and world bending type stuff. Let me break down some of the concepts that were talked about in their article introducing Willow in a way that a regular person can actually understand it. First, let's talk about the two major achievements that make Willow special. One, it can fix its own mistakes better as it gets bigger. So imagine a computer that gets more accurate the more powerful it becomes. And number two, it just did a calculation that would take our fastest supercomputer longer than the universe has existed. Yes, it sounds crazy, but it's completely accurate. Let's tackle the first breakthrough, which is called quantum error correction. Think about quantum computers like super delicate musical instruments. The slightest disturbance can throw them out of tune. And this has been a huge problem for 30 years in regards to quantum computing. But here's what makes, Willow different. Normal quantum computers have more qubits equals more errors. With Willow, it's more qubits equals fewer errors. It's like having a choir where adding more singers actually makes the song clearer instead of messier. Then we have the mind-bending speed of Willow. Now, for the speed test, Willow did a calculation in under 5 minutes that would take our fastest supercomputer, get ready for this, 10 septillion years. That's a whole lot of zeros. Which is called Frontier, and it's located in eastern Tennessee and located in Oak Ridge National Laboratory. The speed of Willow has freaked out a lot of people because they believe that with this new technology that really encryption will be useless in the future. Even something like Bitcoin will be able to be broken into by these powerful quantum chips. And speaking of these chips, let's see what's under the hood regarding them. So it has 105 qubits, which stands for its quantum bits, and it's built in a special facility in Santa Barbara, California. Qubits can hold information up to 100 microseconds, so that's 5 times longer than the previous versions of these quantum chips. But all of this is cool, but how does this affect the regular world? With Willow, it will be extremely more easy to discover new medicines, design better electric car batteries, and even getting advancing fusion energy and also improving artificial intelligence and making it way more powerful even than it is right now. So what's the next big challenge? Making quantum computers solve real world problems that regular computers can't handle. And Google's team is already working on this. And think about it. We're witnessing the early days of a technology that could fundamentally change how we solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. It's like watching the first computers being built, but this has the potential to even be more revolutionary and more powerful in a faster amount of time towards humanity. What would you do with a computer this powerful? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, Master Machines, discover tomorrow's reality.